Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on Replies notification on Vimeo application. So how to turn on Replies notification on Vimeo application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Vimeo app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Vimeo app. Next, tap the profile icon at the top right. And it appears like this. Tap Account menu. Tap Push Notifications. And tap Replies. So that's it, tutorial how to turn on Replies notification on Vimeo application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.